Very good morning, class students. Our running topic is surface area and values. So today in my class, I am going to explain 10.4 exercise problems. Listen well. Okay. Ninth class students, here is the question. The diameter of a spherical balloon. Here one balloon is. What is the diameter of the balloon? 14 centimeters. It is increased to 28 centimeters. So, to the balloon, some air is pumped. So, by pumping the air, the diameter of the spherical balloon increased 14 centimeters to 28 centimeters. Now find the ratio of the surfaces areas in two cases. Two cases means before pumping the air and after pumping the air. Solution. First here like this one balloon there. What is the diameter here? Diameter of the balloon is 14 centimeters. Here what happens? Some air is pumped. Some air is pumped into the balloon. So by pumping the air, the balloon is increased like this. The balloon increased like this. So here the diameter is also increased to 28 centimeters. So before pumping the air, diameter of that spherical balloon is 40 centimeters. After pumping the air, diameter of the spherical ball is 28 centimeters. Now you have to find the areas of the. Now you have to find ratios of the areas before pumping the air and also after pumping the air. Case 1. So before pumping the air, diameter of the balloon is D is equal to 14 centimeters. Diameter is equal to 14 centimeters. Here I know the value of the diameter, but I need the value of radius. So radius is nothing but half of the diameter is equal to 14 by 2 is equal to 7 centimeters. Now surfaces area of that balloon 4 pi r square. What is the surfaces area of the sphere? 4 pi r square. So here surfaces area of the balloon is 4 pi r square. So 4 means 4. What is the value of the pi? 22 by 7. And radius is nothing but 7 into 7. See here, 7 gets cancelled. 88 into 7. 7 8s are 56. 7 8s are 56. 56 plus 5, 61. So it is 616 centimeters square. 616 centimeters square. Now case 2. So after pumping the air, the diameter increased to 28 centimeters. The diameter is increased to 28 centimeters. So the diameter of the spherical balloon is equal to 28 centimeters. I know the value of the diameter. Now I need the value of the radius. So radius is half of the diameter is equal to 28 by 2. 2 ones are 2 fours are. How much it is? 14 centimeters. Next, surfaces area of that balloon is equal to 4 pi r square. So 4 into pi means 22 by 7 into 7. Sorry, 14 into 14. 7 ones are 7 twos are. So it is 88 into 28. It is 88 into 28. So 2464 centimeters square. So what is the surfaces area in second case? 2464. So So surface area of the balloon in second case 2464 centimeters square. Now I need the ratio. Case 1, case 2. It means surface area from case 1 and also surface area from case 2. So what is surface area here? 616 east 2464. Calculations. See here. 2 3s are 0 and 8. 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 3s are and 2s are. Next 2 1s are 2 15s are 152. 2 6s are 2 1s are 2 6s are. Eleven sevens are 11 twos are 28, 11 eights are 88, 7 ones are 7 fours are. So what is the required ratio is 1:4. It means second time that is increased 4 times to the first case 1. Here another question from 10.4 exercise. The diameter of the lead ball is 2.1 centimeters. What is the diameter? D is equal to 2.1 centimeters. The density of the lead used is equal to 11.34 gram per centimeter cube. What is the weight of that ball? What is the weight of that ball? So to find the first I am going to find the volume of the given spherical ball. Volume of the spherical ball is equal. What is the formula? 4/3 pi r cube. Volume of the spherical ball is equal 4/3 pi r cube. So 4/3 into pi means 22/7 into here diameter 22.1 centimeters. Diameter is equal to 2.1 centimeters. But I need the value of the radius. Radius is equal to half of the diameter. It means 2.1/12 is equal to 21/20. What is the radius of the given spherical ball? 21/20. So it is r cube means 21/20 into 21/20 into 21/20. Now calculation. 7 1s are 7 3s are. 3 and 3 gets cancelled. Next 2 10s are 2 2s are. 2 1s are 2 10s are. 2 11s are 2 10s are. So what is the remaining here? 11 into 21 into 21 by 1000. 21 into 21 441. 21 into 21 441 into 11. 11 ones are 11. 11 fours are 44. 44 plus 1 45. 11 fours are 44 plus 4 48. So it is 4851 by 1000. It is nothing but 4.851 centimeter cube. So what is the volume of the given spherical ball? 4.851 centimeter cube. A metallic cylinder of diameter 5 centimeters. Solution. Here what is the one cylinder? Diameter of the cylinder 5 centimeters. Diameter of the cylinder is 5 centimeters. If you know the diameter, you have to find the radius. R is equal to D by 2 is equal to 5/2 centimeters. So diameter of the given cylinder is 5 centimeters. Radius is half of the diameter. So it is radius is equal to 5/2 centimeters. And height. What is the height here? Height h is equal to 3 1/3. 3 3s are 9, 9 plus 1 10. So 10/3 centimeters. Height of that cylinder is equal to 10 by 3 centimeters. Is melted and recast into a sphere. He took one cylinder like this. He took one cylinder. He melted and recast into a sphere. So here conversion from cylinder to sphere. Then you have to find what is the radius, what is the diameter of the sphere. Here I know the measurements of cylinder, but I don't know the dimensions of sphere. Now here what is the question? One cylinder there. He took one cylinder, he melted and recast into a sphere. Now I know the dimensions, I know the measurements of cylinder, but I don't know the dimensions, measurements of sphere. In conversion, maybe here cylinder to sphere, shape was changed, but there is volumes remain same. So before changing and after changing, volume remains same. So volume of the sphere, volume of the cylinder is equal to volume of the sphere. First here, what is the question? A metallic cylinder with radius diameter 5 centimeters and height 3 centimeters. He melted and recast into a sphere. Here shape from cylinder to sphere, shape changed, but in conversion volumes remain same. So before changing and after changing, volume remains same. So volume of the cylinder is equal to volume of the sphere. As per given, volume of cylinder, volume of sphere. What is the formula here? Pi r square h is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. So pi means 22 by 7. Into what is the radius of the cylinder? Pi by 2. So 5 by 2 into 5 by 2 into height is nothing but 10 by 3 is equal to 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into r cube. Why? Because I don't know the radius of this sphere. See here, 22 by 7 cancel. Then after 2 ones are 2 pies are 5 pies are 25, 25 pies are 125 by 6 is equal to 4r cube by 3. 4r cube by 3. Here 125 by 6 is equal to 4 by 3 r cube. So it is 125 by 6 into 3 by 4 is equal to r cube. 3 ones are 3 twos are. So 125 by 8 is equal to r cube. Then after r is equal to cube root of 125 by 4, 125 by 8. So cube root of 125 is 5 and also by 2. What is the radius here? Radius is equal to pi by 2 centimeters. But I need the diameter of sphere. Diameter of sphere is equal to 2r is equal to 2 into 5 by 2. 2 cancel. So what is the diameter of the required sphere? 5 centimeters. So 9th class students, here is today's homework. The diameter of a spherical balloon increases from 7 centimeters to 40 centimeters as air being pumped into the tip. So find the ratios of the areas in two cases. Radius of the sphere is 28 centimeters. Then find its volume and surface area.